Hey guys, what's up? So as I informed you all in the last video, we're gonna start off with the wall art today, and this particular space is what we're going to use for the wall art. And before, when I started doing the feature wall, I specifically dedicated this place for wall art. I had kept already in my mind that I had to do a wall art over here, so that's why this place was left blank, and we specifically chose ocean green over here because of the wall art that's going to come here. Okay, having said that, we're going to quickly go have a check on the requirements that is required for a wall art. Obviously we need a color palette and 75 mm brush, because just because if it's a wall art, you need not have normal painting brushes, so you can buy the brushes which I use for the normal wall painting. So I have a 75 mm brush and 50 mm brush for more detailing, and a couple of 25 mm brush which we either ways use for canvas painting. So 25 mm, a couple of brushes, flat brushes, and couple of round brushes. These are used mostly for little more detailing when I draw some birds and stuff, and a set of flat brushes for more detailing when it's required. Actually, you not be worried so much that the kind of brushes that you're going to use, this is what we have to buy, that brush is not supposed to be bought. You need not worry so much. You can just have the wall painting done with just 2 of these brushes. If you already have what you have planned in your mind, and if you know what is the outcome going to be, I think these 2 brushes and a couple of these would be more than enough for a wall art. So don't worry about going more into detailing on choosing the brushes. It's actually not required. You can do it with these brushes and you can get a beautiful picture out of it. And coming to the painting, it's Fevicryl, one of my favorite acrylic paints that we're going to use. And I chose all the colors. You will also get it separately. If you want to buy it separate colors, you can still go ahead and buy, but I bought a set of colors because there's a lot of mixing that we would be doing. And that's about it. And this is water. So acrylic, usually you need to have a good consistency with almost 80% of the acrylic colors you can paint it with, and 20% of water is fine, just to move your hands freely when you're painting. That's about it. Do not use too much of water. Keep it as much as possible with acrylics, and because it will become too diluted, so keep a little bit of water. That's more than enough. So without wasting much of time, we go straight away gonna have it started. So you all also must be wondering, it's best left if it's not touched. It's best to be left as it is because it's looking beautiful, and I was having the same feeling. But let's give it a shot. Everything comes out of trying, so I'm gonna give it a shot, and let's see how it's gonna come. I'm sure you all like it, and I'm also a bit curious on how it's gonna turn out to be. And without wasting much time, let's get into it and see how it turns out to be. So folks, here we are. The tree is ready and it has come out really well in the green background, just as I imagined. Hope you all have liked it. Have a close look at it, how it is. So we're going to the next level now. I'm very tired actually to draw from the scratch without anything at all. And we're going to draw some birds, not some, like one. So hopefully it will come out well. So let's wait and watch what's the next level is going to be. And with me around in the wall, this is how the wall would look. We have some decorations over here and the bird is going to come over here. Okay, so let's wait and watch what's happened the next segment. So friends, I'm done with it. This is the tree and the sparrow over there. Sparrow is my favorite bird, that's why I put sparrow. And hope you all liked it, and hope you all feel that it's come out well. And I definitely want to know your views. Please share your views in the comments, and if you like it, do like it, like the video, and also share it. And please subscribe and tell your friends also to subscribe.